Yes, sir, YouTube. I'm serious about this thing. Life Gains Financial Channel, helping you guys get your life gains in your finances and make some moves to give you more quality of life because you've stepped up your investment game. That's what we call life gains on this channel. And in today's video, I've got another side hustle some of you guys might be into. I'm not into it per se, but a lot of people in my family are, especially my people in Detroit. And what we're talking about is buying pallets and then reselling what you get on those pallets and making some good profit. If you're finding me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on notifications so when I drop videos, you get them. If you ever want to contact me, join me on Instagram and DM me. And also, if you're looking to get into a trading platform, check my link for the Robinhood account. So one thing that a lot of cats have been doing to make money in this world, especially during COVID, is they buy up pallets and they've been selling them. So you got this young lady right here who was a former DoorDash employee. She started reselling pallets and been showing people how to flip them. And I've also found this cat right here, this big brother who is doing it, and he's got a full YouTube channel, and I will link his channel in the video description in case you want to holler at him for more expertise on buying pallets and reselling what's on the pallets. But take a look at his video, and then I'll give you the story on the way back.
All right, so the other day I sold a pallet to a guy that's been buying from me for 5 years. So for 5 years, he's been making money off me, and he's kind of a cheap son of a bitch, so to lose him, I really don't care, but 5 years he's been buying stuff off me, and the other day he decided to buy a pallet off me. When he got the pallet home, he found out that there wasn't a lot of stuff in there, that he claims that he didn't make any money off the pallet and was upset with me. You know, and I want to explain that the pallet business is a hit or miss. You're gonna make money, you're gonna break even, and you're also gonna lose money. But that all depends on you. That doesn't depend on me, that depends on you. So buying and selling pallets, you have to have your systems down. So when you're buying pallets, you have to have a multi-layer sales avenue. If you just do eBay, pallets aren't going to be good for you. If you just do marketplace, pallets aren't going to be good for you. If you just do flea markets, pallets aren't going to be good for you. But if you mix them and incorporate them all together, they're going to be fantastic for you. But you're not going to win every freaking time. Sometimes you're going to lose. Sometimes you're going to break even. Sometimes you're going to win. And then 1 out of 1,000 times you're going to hit a freaking home run. But you got to do 1,000 pallets in order to hit a home run. So this gentleman bought this pallet from me, takes it home and says, oh, it's all crap. You know, I think he paid $500 for it. There's cat food in there. There's this, there's that. You know, but if he was taking that to the flea market and selling the cat food for $5, you know, then he could take the, you know, one guy bought a pallet off me, and in it was a commercial dehumidifier. It was small though, and it was commercial. And he put it on eBay and sold it for $1,800. He bought the pallet for $400 off me. He sold it for $1,800, one item off the pallet. So he hit a home run. He did great. You know, you got to take the stuff that's hard to sell and sell it online. Sell it on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, all these different marketplaces. There's lots of marketplaces out there to sell stuff, you know. And then you have marketplace for the bigger items, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, for the bigger items that really aren't an eBay, a smaller shipping item to sell. So, you know, maybe you get a ceiling fan. You can put that on Marketplace, or maybe you get a chair. You put it together, put it on Marketplace. Those things sell well on marketplaces, but then you have to have a way to blow things out, and that's where I like to use a flea market. I don't do the flea market anymore, but I did that for years and years and years to blow things out. I want to explain my multi-layered process of how I figure out where I'm going to sell stuff. Number one, Amazon. I always want to send it to Amazon first. It's the easiest marketplace, and it sells for the most money. Number two, eBay. eBay, everybody knows eBay. Number three, I put it in my store here, or maybe on Facebook. We market our store on Facebook Marketplace all the time. Sell it in my store. Number four, I own a bin store. I can throw stuff in the bin store, and so on Saturdays everything's $5, Sunday $4, Monday $3, Tuesday $2, Wednesday $1. We can blow stuff out in the bin store. And then number four, I have a dollar store. So I send stuff to the dollar store, blow it out. I have 2 for $1 days. I blow it out there. All right, so that's how I process my merchandise. Not most people aren't as large as I am. So what I would recommend, Amazon, then eBay, then marketplace, and then figure out a way to blow out some stuff, because there's every pallet you buy, there's going to be 25% junk in there that's just hard to sell. So take that to a flea market and blow it out on the weekends. All right, that's how I recommend you get rid of these pallets. So you're not going to win on every pallet, so keep that in mind. I want to my best win ever, I always talk about the home runs. You want to look for the home runs. 1 out of every 1,000 pallets, you're going to get a home run. My best home run was I bought a pallet. I actually bought 7 pallets at the time, all the same product. On the bottom of a pallet was brown boxes this big. I had no idea what it was. No idea what the brown boxes were this big, but it was the size of the pallet, this big brown boxes. So I took the pallets, the 7 pallets, back to my warehouse. When I unwrapped the pallets, HDMI to Lightning, how you hook your Apple phone to your TV, Apple branded. So there was 1,000 of them in that one little layer. It was incredible how many they could fit in that one little layer on this pallet. I put them on eBay, and within 1 week, I sold all 1,000 of those cords for $30 a piece. That's $30,000. That's my biggest home run I've ever made. So look for those home runs. 1 out of 1,000 pallets will have it, but that's the great thing about how you survive in this business. You're always buying, selling, making sure you can sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, hit a home run. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So my favorite strategy for resellers, you sell enough to pay your bills, and then every week you buy 1 share of Facebook, or every week you buy 1 share of, every 3 weeks you buy 1 share of Amazon. It's pretty expensive. Or Tesla, you know, and that saves you for the future. If you can follow that process, if you can follow that, you can have a retirement out of this business, because you know there's no Bettys in this business. We work for ourselves, and the benefits of our business is nobody tells us what to do, and that's why I love this business. So pallet, you know, like the pallets that I sell for $400 that this guy complained about, you know, you can see that what happens is I buy these floor-loaded truckloads from Amazon, and they're from floor to ceiling, merchandise everywhere. I take out the stuff that's retail ready. So I have a retail store, Resale America, the world's largest liquidation store, and then I pull out the stuff that you can see, like this box is actually retail ready, but we didn't keep it. It's easy to display on a shelf. People know what it is, and they will buy it. But Amazon has all these kind of boxes. So these Amazon boxes are not retail ready. So I take the non-retail ready boxes, and I palletize them, and I sell them. I don't even know what's in them. I have no idea what's in a lot of these boxes. We don't open them up. We just palletize them. And then we resell them for $400 for the pallet. Some of these are going to be home runs. I don't know if this is, it says Kohl's.com. I don't know what it is. You know, this could be a laptop, but it also could be a pillow. So you got to keep that in mind. You don't know what you're going to get on these pallets. We don't know what you're going to get on these pallets. But they might be a home run, but they might be a strikeout. And if you're not prepared for that in this business, then don't buy pallets. If you want to go get a regular 9-to-5 job and work for somebody else, that's what you do. But don't buy pallets if you're not prepared to lose. All right? The pallet business is fickle. The pallet business is tough. It's constant hustling. It's constant buying from multiple vendors, finding the right product mix, which gets you to that home run status, and then you win. And if you're willing to make that commitment, you will win.
So like I was saying, I've got people in Detroit who do this, and they do it and make killer money. I mean, because they live in a major city. There's people in Detroit doing it. There's people in Chicago doing it. And what happens is they get these pallets, and they get all the products from them, and they pull them together, and they do big basket sales around Christmas, Easter, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day. And they make big profits off the things that come off these pallets, to the tune, some of them make over $100,000 a year selling them on the corner. They go get a big U-Haul, find a good corner, pay somebody who owns a gas station to park their U-Hauls on the gas station parking lot, and they sell these things and just make all kinds of money. However, if you're someone who doesn't live in a big city, you're really going to have to titrate your resources by using Facebook Marketplace, you know, Amazon, reselling, you know, eBay, all these different websites that allow you to sell and ship things to people. That's going to be your path of least resistance to make money in this thing. But also don't get it twisted. You might get a pallet and it has completely bull jive on it, which is going to be the type of thing you might have to get outside and hustle and sell. Now, I know a lot of you guys are real big into getting outside, hustling. You like going selling. Maybe you are a barber and you like selling stuff at the shop. Maybe you're a beautician. You like having things to sell at your shop. It can be done, but you're just going to have to put the work in, be diligent. And if this is a side hustle and you enjoy the whole process of retailing and selling, this might be something for you to look at. Leave me comments if you know someone who's doing this and if this is something you think you might get into to make a little bit more extra money. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video. Please comment, subscribe. Definitely go get yourself that life gain. Definitely subscribe to me on IG and hit me up when you have questions and comments and concerns there. And until that next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you.